Get stuff flying over.
Boinsy! What are you doing?
What do we find out, guys?
All right, so make way. Beep beep. Let me see this. The
Twiddle,
phone.
twiddle. There's nothing like the candy with the hole in the middle. Oops. Sorry.
What?
What's going on over here, Bobby?
Scotty's being ridiculous. Okay,
Okay.
so here's the one that has that everybody sells you for the T-Bird, but it's too long for an AC car. No,
So,
the correct T-Bird fan, which is NOS, correct, part number's correct, the bolt spacing, and the hub spacing down here is dead on.
Okay,
Don't pull the bolts out.
I'll,
I'll measure it.
I'll put it right back. Hold on. See? We
That
have
fits beautifully.
perfect. It fits exactly like it's supposed to.
But
Our depth,
this is too much length, which I don't.
none of us have ever heard.
Yeah. So if we do
The only reason it's too much length,
because it's an AC car.
it's an AC car. So we got an extra.
Extra
belt.
pulley and the radiators that here are back.
Yep.
So, note our spacing on our bolts here. We're gonna just kind of half-ass center to center. That's three. Let's just say 3/100-ish. And see this center to center, basically 3/100-ish. Okay. So our hub diameter here.
And for those of you playing the home game, that means the hole.
Is 2470.
That's a big number.
It's 2.470.
I'm surprised you can count that.
For those people,
I know, right?
For those people that don't know how to read decimals. And so
What about Dewey?
we go in here and we get it kind of loosey goosey, and we're right about 2330. So that gives you a little bit of end play, but watch when you set it on there. Set it on here. Yeah, it's got a little bit of end play, but it's pretty much on there. You can move it. It's not interference fit.
No, it's.
It's fine.
Wait. There we go.
There you go. So boom.
I lined up the hole.
Excellent. So now you go over to here. Now remember, this was what, 2470? Mm-hmm. You go over to here. Yeah, we know fit. So
And
this is the one that's for AC cars that everybody advertises for AC cars when they actually have it in their system for an AC car. Now, oh my God. So remember, 2470. Anyway, this, let's just weebles wobble it.
but it doesn't fall down.
25, we'll say 2580.
Yeah.
So we marked on here, look at how much larger it is. But we're like, okay,
Not a big deal.
let's just clearance this, not a problem.
So what do we find out?
The bolt spacing,
So if
Is
we line
way
up
out.
one hole right there, that's perfect. That one's not even,
not even
close.
and the hub, which we were at 2480 on this one.
Yep.
Our hub here, just for S and G's, is 2620. And our bolt spacing center to center is 3330-ish, 3325.
I'm trying
So-
to figure out who taught him numbers. Don't ask me because I didn't.
Anyway, so this is sold by most of the parts stores for all 61 to 63 bird. Wrong. This is sold by most parts vendors 61 to 63 bird with AC. Wrong.
Tell him what he's got, Johnny.
A whole bunch of shit. We have 2 returns, and we still have no fan on our 62 bird. Yeah.
Well,
So I get to go hunt for bullshit.
No bullshit.
No,
Good
for-
stuff.
no,
No
good.
bullshit.
Yeah, no more bullshit.
But it's going to be bullshit. Well, tell vendors to sell the right thing. Anyway, so.
That's like.
Yeah, I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Exactly. So, those are going to get boxed up. Those are going to get returned. And we will have an update shortly.